How to use time mark, photo proof, step-by-step guide. Step 1. Install the app from your device's app store. Step 2. On a GPS and open the app, launch time mark photo proof. Step 3. Open and click Get Started. Step 4. Accept the terms and conditions. Step 5. Search a template and choose Greta template. Step 6. Follow step as shown by arrow. Step 7. Follow step as shown by arrow. Step 8. Click on pencil icon to rename a template and change only your name and your designation, then click Done. After finish, rename your details. Step 9. Choose time in and out for clock in attendance. Step 10. Click time in when duty start and click Allow all. Step 11. Click Save and click Share on WhatsApp Daily Attendance Group. Step 12. Click Time out when duty end. Step 13. Click Save and click Share on WhatsApp Daily Attendance Group. Full monthly attendance report export. Step 1. Go to my timesheet. Note, this full month report from my timesheet will ask by me at the end of the month, so please don't delete it. Step 2. Click Excel and share in WhatsApp. This is an example of a full month attendance report. Thank you for watching, and please let me know if you need any assistance from me about how to install and use the application.